In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use set actions as button filters in Tableau. This guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can easily follow along and implement these techniques in your own Tableau projects. First, let's start off by opening the Tableau application on your computer. Once the app is open, you'll need to access the specific worksheet you'd like to work with. After opening your worksheet, begin by naming your first sheet selection. This organizational step helps in keeping your project structured and easy to navigate. Now, let's move forward by dragging the category field to the columns shelf. This will set the foundation for the visual display we're going to create. Next, change the view to shape. This visualization type adds an aesthetic dimension to your data, making it more engaging and easier to interpret. After you've changed the view, drag the category field to the shape pane. Feel free to customize these shapes to better suit your data visualization needs, whether that's altering shape colors or sizes. Moving along, drag the category field once more, this time to the label shelf, and align it to both the center and the top. Your labels now will prominently showcase your categories. To tidy up the view, click on Category in the column header and deselect Show Header. This cleans up the look of your sheet, focusing attention on the data itself. On this note, right-click on the view, select Format, and under the Borders section, choose None for the row divider. This further refines the display of your data by removing unnecessary lines. Let's customize the tooltips next. Click on Tooltip and unselect all options. This way, your viewers will not be distracted by default tooltips popping up. Now, let's open a new sheet and name it Overtime. For this sheet, drag the Order Date to the columns and choose Month Continuous to set a timeline for your data. Afterward, drag the Sales field to the rows, setting up a basic timescale visualization. With both sheets prepared, open up a new dashboard. Drag both of your sheets, the one you initially created and the overtime sheet, onto the canvas within this dashboard. This will allow you to incorporate multiple visualizations into one display. Switch back to your selection sheet and within the data pane, right-click to create a new set. Name this set Category Set and select the first item on the list. Drag this new category set to Color, adding a visual distinction to your set. Proceed back to the overtime sheet where you'll drag the category set to Filters. This sets up a way for your data to filter based on category. Additionally, drag Category to Detail to enhance the clarity of your visualization when the set filters are applied. Back on the dashboard, customize the title to better reflect your data by inserting a dynamic field for category and adding sales in between. Now, you're ready to set the action. Click on the Dashboard tab, then Actions. Here, add an action and select Change Set Values. Choose your source sheet as Selection. Set Run Action on to Select, and ensure your target sheet is Category. Select Keep Set Values and click OK. Congratulations, you now have a functioning button filter in Tableau. This dynamic feature allows for interactive exploration of your data, empowering your audience to engage with your visualization on a deeper level.